Is your Dodge Challenger key fob failing to unlock the doors? Let's get to the bottom of it. First, consider the most common culprit, the battery. Replace the CR2032 battery in your key fob, ensuring it's a fresh one with a voltage above 2.8 volts. This simple fix resolves about 40% of unlocking problems. Use a battery tester to check the voltage. If that doesn't work, it could be a synchronization issue between the fob and your Challenger's body control module, BCM. Less common issues include a faulty door actuator motor or wiring, which prevents unlocking even with a good fob. Buzzing sounds coming from the door when trying to unlock suggests this may be the issue. Time to move on to resyncing or more advanced fixes if the battery isn't the problem. If a new battery didn't solve the issue, try resyncing your key fob. The process varies slightly by model year. For 2008 to 2014 Challengers, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob. Newer 2015 Plus models might require using the Uconnect app for assistance. If resyncing fails, the problem might be more complex, such as a faulty door actuator. Replacement can cost $50 to $150. If you have access to an OBD2 scanner, check for BCM error codes. PATS-related faults indicate potential anti-theft system mismatches. As a last resort, replacing the BCM module might be necessary, but this is a more costly repair. Remember, regular battery swaps and avoiding extreme temperatures can help prevent these issues in the future.